Halo, perkenalkan aku Abdurrahman. Di sini saya mengambil materinya itu tidak menggunakan AI, tapi saya menggunakan banyak referensi dari buku, dari ruang guru, dan dari English Academy. Di sini saya juga menggunakan jas, pakaian rapi, sopan, dan teratur. Sekian, terima kasih.
Lu lagunya biasa aja bisa nggak? Lagunya nggak usah.
Om Anton lari maraton.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Abdurrahman and today I want to talk about smoking in campus areas. We all know that smoking is bad for our health. Cigarettes contain dangerous chemicals like nicotine and tar that can cause lung disease, heart problem, and even cancer. But smoking doesn't only harm the smoker, it also harms people around them. This is called secondhand smoke. Our campus should be a place for learning and growing, not for breathing in smoke. When people smoke near classroom or cafeterias, the air becomes dirty and uncomfortable. Some students have asthma or allergies, and smoke can make them really sick. As students, without good habits and care about our environment, we all want our campus to be clean, fresh, and healthy, right? I understand that quitting smoke is not easy, but we can start by following the rules, by not smoking in the campus area. The university can also help by putting up no smoking signs and by creating programs to help students who want to quit. Let's remember, smoking might look cool for a moment, but it breathing long-term harm. A healthy life is much cooler than holding a cigarette. So let's work together to make our campus a smoke-free zone, a place where everyone can better clean air and study in comfort. Thank you for listening. Let's keep our campus clean, healthy, and smoke-free.
Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdurrahman, and I am student from Bina Sarana Informatika. Today, I am going to talk about a very important topic, English grammar, the simple present tense. Jadi di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang simple present tense. Oke, next slide. Definition. Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present. Okay, next slide. Simple present tense function. Number 1, general truths. Number 2, habits. Number 3, instruction. Number 4, fixed schedules. Okay, next slide. General truths. General truths refers to general truths or absolute truths. This means thing whose truth is certain and generally known. Okay, for example, cats are mammals. This is also definitely truth and is also generally known. Okay, number 2, habits. Habit is something that done continuously and consistently. For example, my father goes to work every weekdays. I study with my friends every Sunday at the academy. Okay, next slide. Number 3, instruction. Instruction which means command or instruction. For example, do not enter this area. Cook the noodles for 3 minutes. Okay. Number 4, fixed schedules. Fixed schedules is something that is solved or certain to happen but does not repeat itself. For example, the show start at 7 o'clock. Okay, next slide. When is the the branch? Okay. When is the present tense asset? The present tense asset is asset when some wants to express an event to or general fact that is happening right now. Oke, di sini ada simple present tense formula. Jadi di sini ada tipe simple present tense. Yang pertama itu ada nominal tense, yang kedua ada verbal tense. Oke, next slide. Sentence type. Nominal sentence. Nominal sentence are sentences that do not as verbs or sentence that such object such as the names of people, profession, place, and anything that is considered an object. So the predicate is to be, is, are. Okay, verbal sentence. Verbal sentence are sentence the as verb. Okay, next slide. Nominal sentence from. Di sini nominal sentence itu ada positif, negatif, interrogative, dan interrogative with WH question. Aku disclaimer di sini ngambil dari Ruang Guru, jadi no AI. Untuk perumusan, untuk contoh itu ngambil dari Ruang Guru dan buku. Oke, di sini yang pertama positif. Positif from. Number 1, positive. Positive from means a sentence that has a positive form or value. The sentence has a positive value and does not express negation or denial. Example, he is a teacher. I am smart. We are a group or students. Okay. Formulanya di sini yang positif ada subjects plus to be plus complete. Dan ini contohnya tadi ada he is a teacher, I am a smart, we are a group of students. Okay, next slide, negative. This negative from sentence is a sentence that has a negative value. Sentence denial. Formula ada subject plus to be plus not plus complete. To be di sini is, are. Example, Mom is not a chef. I am not lazy. They are not here yet. Oke, next slide. Ada interrogative. Interrogative itu kayak menanyakan ya. The interrogative form refers to a sentence that ask a question. Jadi interrogatif itu adalah question, kayak menanyakan. Jadi formula atau rumusnya ada to be plus subject plus complete. To be-nya di sini ada am, is, are. Example, is the food delicious? Is the food delicious? I'm a rike. I'm a rike. Are you doctor? Are you doctor? Are you doctor? Oke, next slide. Di sini ada interrogative with WH question. The difference is that this interrogative from a WH question, namely question words contain the letters WH, namely what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and who. Formula WH question plus to be plus subject. To be-nya ada am, is, are. Seperti biasa, to be itu ini ya. Am, is, are. Jadi, this interrogative begins with the WH question first, followed by to be, then the subject. Who is that boy? Where am I? Why are you late? Jadi di sini first-nya itu question, pertanyaan. Terus habis itu diikuti oleh to be sama baru terakhir itu subjek. Jadi question itu kan who. Is-nya itu to be. That boy itu subjek. Sama kayak where am I? Where itu kan di mana? Itu kan berarti kan menanyakan ya, question. Nah, am-nya itu to be, I-nya itu subjek. Subjek itu orang, I-nya itu orang. Jadi menunjukkan saya, I. Oke, next slide. Di sini ada verbal sentence. Ada verbal sentence. Verbal sentence itu hampir sama kayak nominal ya. Ada positif, negatif, interrogatif, dan interrogative with WH question. Di sini aku juga ngambil dari Ruang Guru. Positif, negatif, interrogative with WH question. Berikut penjabarannya. Positif, formula, subjek. Subjeknya ada I, you, they, we. Plus verb 1 plus complete. Example, I wither a letter. I eat an apple. Formula yang kedua ada subjek. Subjeknya itu ada she, he, it. Berbeda dengan yang atas. Kalau atas I, you, they, we. Kalau yang bawah she, he, it. Plus verb 1 plus s plus is. Oke, di sini yang atas itu nggak pakai s atau s. Jadi contohnya ada he goes to school. Goes to school itu kan menambahkan s. Es itu kan menambahkan es. She eats an apple itu menambahkan s. S. Jadi it's she eats an apple. Oke, next slide. Negatif. Formula subjeknya ada I, you, they, we. Plus do, plus not, plus verb 1, plus complete. Example, they do not know where to go. I do not an apple. Subjeknya she, he, it, plus do, plus not, plus verb 1, plus s, plus plus complete. Example: she does not bring an umbrella. She does not an apple. Oke, next slide ada interrogative formula. Do plus subjek, subjeknya ada I, you, they, we, plus verb one, plus complete. Contohnya seperti do you like it? Do you eat an apple? Oke, formula yang kedua ada does plus subjek, subjeknya ada she, he, it, plus verb one, plus complete. Example: does he bring the book? Does she eat an apple? Does he eat an apple? Situ kan jadi nanya ya. Oke, next slide. Ini ada interrogative with WH question. Seperti biasa, pertanyaannya tuh di awal W question plus do plus subjek, subjeknya ada I, you, they, we, plus verb one, plus complete. Example: why do you love badminton so much? Jadi pertanyaan itu di awal, habis itu disusun oleh do, kata do, habis itu baru subjek, habis itu baru verb one, habis itu pelengkapnya atau complete, kata-kata complete. Oke, formula yang kedua ada WH question plus does plus subject. Subjeknya itu ada I, you, they, we, plus verb one plus complete. Example: when does he go to school? Oke, sekian dari presentasi saya. Materi ini diambil oleh Ruang Guru dan Akademi Inggris dan dari buku Kampung Inggris. Aku tidak ngambil dari AI, semua ini referensi dari Ruang Guru, Akademi Inggris, dan buku Kampung Inggris. Oke, sekian dari presentasi saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.